Hi, I'm Rick DeLeon, the District Sales Manager for Alpine Avalanche, here to introduce a new Alpine floor plan. Let's go take a look at it. You know, when you think about Alpine, one of the first things you have to have in your mind is residential standard amenities. That's really important because a lot of other manufacturers, you have to add packages or do other things as an option, which obviously means more money. So as we go through this, think about that. Everything I'm going to show you here on the Alpine is standard. One thing I wanted to point out here is a lot of people neglect to do this is the entryway, the steps, and even the grab handle. As you look here, look at the grab handle. We've adjusted that so your first step, you're actually grabbing onto something opposed to stepping here before you can do it. In addition to that, look at our 18-inch platform on the top. There's nothing that's laser cut in there. It's one solid step, which allows you to not only to go in, but the exterior as you walk out, huge benefit. 30 inches wide in the entry door. As I walk up here, you can obviously see there's plenty of room on the width. But more importantly, the height. How many of those people come into fifth wheel and they have to duck because the ceiling's not tall enough? This is actually 6'3" and 30 inches wide. Let me show you some other exterior features that are really unique to this. You know, in a short fifth wheel, in a luxury fifth wheel, if you will, it's very unusual to have an outdoor kitchen. As this one here, the 3102RL, we actually added this exterior outdoor kitchen. Huge benefit, especially in a smaller coach and in a luxury fifth wheel like this. In addition to this outdoor grill, we've also added an overhead cabinet and a drawer for storage. Speaking of storage, let's go take a look at the front. One of the unique features of all Alpines is we have what we call a drop Z-frame. The importance of the drop Z-frame, it's going to enable you to have more exterior storage in your coach. Why is that important? When you're hauling totes or you're hauling a ladder or maybe even kayaks or anything that you're going to take with you to a campsite, this gives you a true 175 cubic feet of storage. As you can see on the inside, a lot of other manufacturers have obstructions in the center of the coach. And what I mean by that, it's typically pipes that are in the center here that kind of interrupt your true storage in here. One of the beauties of Alpine is we give you that true storage that's 175 cubic feet. Hey, and also don't forget, every Alpine is going to come with these standard features in every coach that we provide. Remember, we have G-rated tires that are 14-ply steel belted tires. We offer 2 different types of hitches on the exterior as well as frameless windows as well. Every Alpine comes standard with 2 ACs and 1 heat pump. It's got a 35 BTU furnace and more importantly, an on-demand water heater. Hey, let's go take a look at the inside. When you walk in this coach, it's hard to believe it's only 35 feet. Why I say that is because of the spaciousness in here. As you well know, every Alpine is a wide body. It's 100 inches wide. Not every other fifth wheel manufacturer has that. In addition to having that, we also have 610 slide rooms. Look at the flow in this product. I mean, you literally feel like you're in a 43-foot coach, but again, we took a hard stance at what the feedback was from owners and customer dealerships that they wanted a smaller coach that still provided them all that room so that you could travel and to assist not only from the length on the exterior, but also give you those amenities standard on the inside. Some of the other great features in the 3102RL is our windows. It doesn't matter where you park in this coach, you have just a great view, not only on the inside, but you got that panoramic view on the outside. If you also notice, these also come standard with day-night shades. Huge benefit, especially if you don't want it completely closed, you do have some nice flow of light that comes through there. Also in this floor plan comes standard with an 80-inch couch. You know, a lot of people that come in here will say because of the length being 35 feet, we have people that are going to come stay with us. Where are they going to sleep? Well, every 80-inch couch, as you can see here, folds out into a king trifold sofa. It takes about 15 seconds to do, huge benefit. But more importantly, what surprisingly is very important in this floor plan is how these recliners look directly at the TV. That is huge. It gives you some separation from the kitchen, allows you a little more privacy here so you have an area of conversation, a talk. And let's not forget the chargers here that are a huge upgrade that comes standard in this floor plan as well. Let's look at the kitchen in this floor plan. Look at this butler's pantry. This is so unique to this smaller Alpine that we came out with, the 3102RL, which you're in. I mean, look at the attention to detail in here. We're showcasing our new backsplash here, our new black exterior handles on these. And as you look at these cabinets, you can see our hinges aren't exposed, so they're in the inside, not on the outside. Again, gives you more of a residential feel. As we move over here to the right, we have our Samsung 18 cube residential refrigerator. This also comes with a built-in ice maker, and you can get two different types of coaches, but this obviously comes with the ice maker and comes with a 2,000 watt inverter on the exterior. We've also upgraded our package to our new residential Insignia oven, and for those of you that don't like to cook on the oven, no problem. We've given you a 30-inch microwave, but the beauty to this is that this has a convection microwave. Solid surface countertops is a new feel that we came out with, a brand new design that we've got a lot of positive feedback on. And of course, if you look at our residential faucet here, it just really complements the overall look in the kitchen. So as we move to the dinette area, we give you a legless dinette table, which allows you more space to move around here and there. This table also opens up to give you more surface area. This floor plan has all the signature features in the Alpine. It encompasses a king bed that comes standard, a 70 by 80 king bed. It also comes in an incredible wardrobe closet. I mean, look at the room in here. But in addition to that, they're all prepped for stackable washer and dryer. In addition to the 5-drawer dresser, we also provide standard a 32-inch TV that's mounted here in every Alpine floor plan. But what's really unique on this is look at the exterior fit and finish below the bed. Incredible, really pops and adds to the bedroom in here. The bathroom has 2 entry doors, a solid 1-piece shower surround, a porcelain toilet, a very decorative faucet, and an immense amount of storage. In addition, all Alpines come with solid hardwood fascia, cabinet drawers and styles, and soft close cabinetry. Hey, thank you for watching. And if you have any other questions or need more information regarding this floor plan, please look at our Keystone website.